Okay, so I know you guys have heard me talk about City Beauty before, specifically City Lips. It's a lip plumping gloss, the lip gloss I've been using for probably 4 years now, for a long time. And I know I've told the story before, but me and my sister, when we were looking, we were like thinking, like, do we want lip fillers? We really desired the lip filler look, but like decided fillers weren't for us. So we like went on the hunt and researched so much and found the most reviewed, the best one we could find was City Lips, and we absolutely fell in love. It is the best lip plumping gloss I've ever used in my entire life. It is amazing. What I love about it is it creates that desired lip plumping look, but also has long-term benefits. So like for the clear one, I use it also as a night treatment. So people have said like, Heather, like when I don't have any gloss on, because of the long-lasting effects and because of the ingredients, like, oh, did you get lip fillers? And that's just like with my bare lips, because if you continue to use this stuff, it actually increases the volume and the fullness and the lines and wrinkles in your lips. And that's because the hyaluronic acid and the oligopeptides, those are the two ingredients that increase the plumpness of your lips, the collagen production in your lips, and those are like the hero ingredients in this product. And when we did all our research, we decided like those are what we want. They also have it in matte. This is one of my favorites, the Los Angeles. Anyways, I love City Lips, and if you guys are looking for an alternative to lip filler looks without actually getting fillers, I cannot recommend these ones enough.